What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we got a new one. I've never heard of this until recently, and I thought I'd give it a try. So we're gonna make a Quesadilla Cheeseburger, and come on in, check out these ingredients, and let's get this going. All right, so here's the tortillas we're gonna use. These are some taco tortillas, and yeah, that's gonna be our bun. And then over here we got a tomato, cheese. We have spicy mayo, lettuce, and here's our patty. That is a half pound of 80-20 ground beef with some diced up Serranos and onion in there. So let's get this going. I'm starving. All right, so we got the griddle up to temp. I'm gonna put a little oil down right here where I'm gonna smash this burger, and we're at about 385. So I'm gonna keep these things up. Let's spread this oil around a little bit. Let's get this burger on here. Now I ran out of parchment paper, so I got some aluminum foil. That'll have to do for the smash. Boom. Let's just got the burger spatula right here. Let's give her a smash and check her out. Alright, so we got this thing smashed. Now I'm just gonna let this thing cook up, and actually it's almost done there. I'm trying to smash it so that when it cooks, it's almost as big as the tortilla that I'm putting on. That's why I smashed it so hard. But yeah, let's see how it turns out. Alright, so let's give this thing a flip and see how we look. Alright, now I'm gonna lower this the temperature because we got other stuff to do now. Let's get this tortillas going. Let's put a little oil down so we get a nice fry on them. All right, go. Let's put you down. Keep this cheese rolling. Now let's see what temp we're rolling on right here. Got 330. So let's just move on with this. Get it spread out somewhat even. All right. Now I do have these two burners off. These two I put on low because that burger is about to be done in no time. So we got that good. We're just gonna leave one of them. We're gonna go with the tomato and lettuce next. Just trying to spread it out somewhat evenly. I'm only putting lettuce on the one side. There we go. That'll do. Now let's go with a little bit of tomato. All right. This is looking good so far. All right, let's go ahead and get this burger on here. I put it on this paper towel to kind of get some of the grease off of it so it doesn't make it, super soggy. So let's go ahead and, I'm probably gonna need this. Yeah, buddy. All right, we're done with you. All right. That is pretty hot. All right, so now I'm gonna throw a little bit of the spicy mayo. I did like 2.5 tablespoons of mayo with about 2 teaspoons of Sriracha. So that should do it. Way more than I need, but ain't nothing wrong with that. All right. There we go. All right. Now let's go ahead and get this tortilla flipped over. Let me use a clean spatula over here. There we go. So we got a nice little golden brown. Now I did turn these burners back on low, so I'm just gonna heat these up for a hot second, and we'll give it a flip. Then we're gonna try this bad boy. All right, let's give this thing a flip and see how she looks. Ooh, baby, that is hot. I don't know what I was thinking trying to grab that thing. Nah, it's gonna be a little off center. No biggie. That is cooking up nicely though. Oh, you can smell that sriracha. Boy. All right, y'all. This looks extremely good. Look at that. That thing looks beautiful. I do got a couple burgers cooking for the wife and daughter, but let's dive into this bad boy right here. Ooh, that's the bite right there. Got a real good taste of cheese in there, real creamy. Got a little spice hit you at the back end there. You can taste the sriracha, but I think it's the Serranos that are giving it that spice. My mouth is watering. Definitely got sriracha on that bite. Got a nice crunch from the shell. I didn't overcook it. As you can see, it's got a nice golden brown in there, but with that oil, you get a nice fry. It gets it nice and crusty. That's really good on there. That's all I got, y'all. I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner. Appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like what you see. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. We do got some pretty good stuff coming up here, and yeah, you're gonna want to see this stuff. So I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.